Hi, Paulina.
Hello! So, this is Chinese New Year, so happy Chinese New Year. Happy Snake Year. So now we are at the Changi Ferry Point Terminal. We're about to go to Pulau Ubin, which is an island very close to Singapore. It belongs to Singapore. Our friends have already gone inside. They cannot wait to start their adventure. But let's see the view over there. It's very nice. So we're gonna take bicycles and we are gonna experience a day in an island that's supposed to look like how Singapore was many years ago. So have this amazing view. Awesome.
So we are going to take a bum boat from here to go to.
To go to Pulau Ubin.
Yeah.
It will be amazing. Can't wait to start the adventure. Bye!
So now we are taking the boat to the Pulau Ubin Island. So this is a bum boat which will take us to the island. Finally we reach Pulau Ubin. Welcome to Pulau Ubin. So finally we reached in this boat. This was the boat. We have to cross, a bit risky, but still okay. So we are heading to enter. This is the entrance. Okay, finally we are entering to Pulau Ubin now, island. This is Anusha. That's Paulina.
Hello! Hey, let me introduce you to my friends. Anusa here. We have Dogo Gugu, of course you know him. Hello. We have the Vish here, the tall guy, and the amazing Rani. That's our company.
Okay, now we are going to.
We're going to enter to Pulau Ubin, and we will finally take bicycles and we will cycle.
Okay. So how much does it cost for the ferry?
It's only $4 per person and $2 for kids like Dugu Gugu. Very cheap.
And it how much time you need to come
10
from?
minutes-ish. 10 minutes. It's very close to Singapore and very affordable destination. So amazing destination. Strongly recommend.
Yes. Now we are heading. There are two ways to go. So there this side and the other side when you just enter the Pulau Ubin, and this is where is the side. So we are going towards the Chek Java wetland side. So there are so many bicycle rental places nearby. Okay, now we are renting the bicycles. So now Paulina will say how much did it cost it.
So guys, we finally rent bicycles. These cost like $15. And the motorbike
Is it like per day or hour?
per day?
Per day, okay.
$15 per day. And there, the mountain bike costs $20 per day. So Tello.
Okay, and then this one.
This one is $15.
Okay.
Which side?
And Dugu one, where is Dugu? Dugu, how much your bicycle rental cost? Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, we got 3 cycles from 45C bicycle rent and other 3 cycles from the starting point where we enter, but I haven't taken. Maybe that is 25 bicycle point. So we are now heading towards Chek Java. The climate today is very nice, and it was raining yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, but there is 75% chances that it may rain. But as of now the climate is super beautiful. We are just following Dev. It's a weekend getaway. So guys, you actually can on the weekends you just can come over, you just hop over to the Changi Ferry Point terminal, and just it's a 10 minutes ride, so you can really enjoy the nature. Last time we went this way, which is a Puaka Hill, Keta Mountain Bike Park and Ubin Living. But now we will head this side because this is the first time we are going this way. So we are going to this side. Let's go. Basically, here you will find all this stuff like coconuts, some drinks, but I think food wise I'm not sure. Yeah, so we are heading this side. Cycling over here is really beautiful and you feel like relaxed basically when you are in nature. It's the nature somewhere in Singapore and you get this type of weekend getaways. We are actually, today is Chinese New Year, the first day of Chinese New Year. So we all came for a hiking, like biking at Pulau Ubin. So this is how it looked like 40-50 years back. The way the Singapore like old traditions designs are there. What bro? Wow. Go. There's a big jackfruit over there.
Show something for your audience, man. Go and pluck it
Yes. No, not going to pluck it. And we are going to go further. After we went up to the hill and we are going down now. Without anything, the bicycle is going so fast. Wow. I hope you all like it. One more thing, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Dugu Wugu. Okay, Paulina.
Okay, we just experienced a very nice downhill. It was smooth and nice. We were enjoying super much.
Okay, Dugu. Okay, Dugu. How is your experience? What's going on now? Right now?
There's too many downhills and now I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yes, from that downhill.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Coconut water and drinks are sold here. So here I think they don't have food, only the drinks and coconut water. We were somewhere inside the off-road going to check Java wetlands. Wow, what a beautiful place. Sound of water. How do you like it?
You can see all the nature in here.
Just this is off-roading bicycle and we are going from down. So there is again a steep hill. We are going down and this is the way to check Java wetlands. Guys, I think if you have already reached my video until here, please do subscribe and like my videos so that I can try to improve my video qualities and get some more videos for you. Bro, is it exciting?
Yes, bro. Everyone should try if they are in Singapore.
Yeah, I highly recommend to come to Pulau Ubin. But yeah, be aware of this hiking and mountain climbing. We have a monkey who tried to snatch our food.
I would have killed that monkey, huh?
Yeah. Look how we climb the tree.
He just tried to snatch phone of Paulina. Do you want to say something about your school friends? Say hi to your school friends.
Hi. If you're watching this, please make sure hit the subscribe button.
Okay, we are at Czech Java wetland and we are going towards the Czech Broadway walk, and we are going to make a round for the Czech Java, and then after that we are going to come here for the visitor center. That side parking point, and then you can walk inside the Czech Java. So this is what Czech Java wetland looks like, and there is a bridge over here. So we're just crossing over the bridge from the Broadway walk, where we just started, and then once you go like 500 meters, not 500, maybe to 300 meters, you'll find this bridge. It's a beautiful bridge, and we are just making a round of this wetland. Guys, just feel the music. So relaxing. So now we are having some snacks time. As usual, he is having some chips, which is not good. And Anusha is having something, I don't know what is that. Oh, Rani made it. Wow. How is it a taste? And how do you like until now, this morning? Yeah, gong si pacha hai.
Jagan, I am seeing this tree first time. Do you know about?
Yeah, I know about the ghanta about this tree. I really don't know anything, bro.
So this,
You know ghanta?
so this is a Ganta tree.
This is a ghanta tree.
Okay. So guys, just take a closer look at this Ganta tree. So the leaves are like this. You can use that for ringing a bell and all those. That's why it's called Ganta tree. Thanks, Jagan.
Yo! Guys, it's not a ghanta tree, it's a mangrove tree. And that's a small palm tree. I don't know what type of palm tree is that. That's a palm tree. And the water level is up now, high. So all the trees are beneath that. And this side is also a mangrove tree. That side we just came from the cross boardwalk. And now we are going to the mangrove boardwalk to the viewpoint. I hope you all like our videos.
How you will say? It's called Nipa.
It's called Nipa. Nipa.
Oh, okay. Now
Hi, buddy.
Hi, bro.
Buddy.
Huh? I told to you. Let's go to the viewing tower.
Very
Are
nice.
you sure you're staying?
Mangodeli 41.
Tugu, we're going to the viewing tower. Few more steps for the viewing point. now heading to the Czech Java old visitor center. Like this is how the old, like in Singapore, they used to build the houses in the bricks. The history and development of house number 1. There's even a bracket. Yeah, it's
Oh, look, let's look at this one.
these are brick houses. I don't see any pillars, anything here. So it totally looks like a brick house with a wooden support in few places. But I think totally it's a brick house. They have renovated after few days. There is some stones also over here. There is viewpoints, more viewpoints over here, and you can. I have actually explored you the other side of the boardwalk. So it's the same waypoint, but it's a viewpoint from here to look at the Singapore places and other places. So finally came back to the same room. Purna, you know this house is made of without a pillar. It's all stone.
This is our kitchen house.
This is our house.
Yeah. You're only right.
Guys, we just bought it.
Yeah, we just bought it. We didn't want to scan you area.
So this way they put no entry. I'm not sure why, but there will be some secret over there. I'm not sure. Finally, we are heading towards the main jetty point. From there, we may take to another, maybe Puaka Hills or somewhere. We have not decided yet. Just traveling. We had a very good time today. This is the same off-road we came to the Czech Java. We are just returning back to the main entrance point, where we again need to decide where to go again. So we again came to the road. So we will go to the Butterfly Hills of Hills. That's right.
From the other side.
Okay.
Butterfly Hills. We can go from here.
Okay.
There we can actually come out to the Puaka Hills. So now we are heading towards Butterfly Hills. Yes, there's like butterfly challenge. So you need to find out which all butterfly you can see. So yeah, one I already saw. Maybe a yellow butterfly.
Butterfly, come here, sit. Then they will come and sit.
There is a yellow butterfly only I can see.
I'm not.
Oh, there is a black
This is a
butterfly.
professional of holding butterfly. Really?
There's a white butterfly.
I want to know.
It's called string bush. So we are going to Puaka Hills now.
Puaka Hill.
Okay, let's go to the Puaka Hills. This is I had a bad experience for this Puaka Hills.
Yeah.
Last time I lost it in the jungle trail inside the mount something. There's a- No, we didn't die, but we got exhausted and dehydrated because we didn't find any water and we didn't carry the water. I thought like somewhere we'll find some water, but it was not available inside the jungle trail. So it was a really off-road, but we are not going to go this time for the off-road. We are just going to the end of the Puaka Hill trip and then we are going to return back. Okay, this is a place you can get some drinks. Only the watermelon, coconut, waters, cold drinks, something like that. Place. This is the only place. Last time also I had stopped it over here to just have some drinks. There is no food. So we are at this water point, like water and cool drink point, where you can find all the drinks. We already have a lot of water with us, drinks and all, which we bought it from the other place. So we are further heading towards mountain bikes something. I don't recall the name, but there's a wooden bridge over here. So this is the Ketam mountain bike park. So when you go this way, it's like a 7 to 8 kilometers maybe run inside the jungle, and then again when you are coming back, you will be coming back from here this way. So even you can start from this way, you are going to end up here. So from here you need to return back to the Waka hillside.